This is the footage shows Russian fire support group in action. Mi-8 helicopters crews joined the visual reconnaissance mission to detect enemy reconnaissance and sabotage group along the route. Mi-8 helicopters fire support team opened fire of Ukrainian fighters with small arms. This vehicle is a medium twin-turbine helicopters originally designed by Soviet Union in 1960s and introduced into Soviet Air Force in 1988. It is now produced by Russia. In addition, it's a common rule as a transport helicopters. The Mi-8 also used as an airborne command post, armed gunship, and a reconnaissance platform. Along with the related, more powerful Mi-17, the Mi-8 is among the world's most produced helicopters used by over 50 countries. As of 2015, when combined, the two helicopters are the third most operational military aircraft in the world.
Terima kasih sudah nonton. Jangan lupa like, subscribe, dan share ya.